Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. The theme is winter vibes, and our host is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I'm going to start with this really pretty table runner that I ordered from Amazon. Next, I'm going to add some greenery on top of the table runner. And as a centerpiece, I created this beautiful lantern in the middle of a wreath, and then it all inside a dough bowl with deer heads. And I also added a few pine cones. And I have some more greenery that I'm going to lay on top of the table runner. So what I'm doing is creating a very wintry tablescape, and it'll be set for two. And I'm doing the same on the other side with that really pretty wispy evergreen. I'm not really sure what kind of evergreen it is, but it's very pretty and lightweight. And I like the fact that it lays flat. Next, I'm going to add this gold placemat. I believe I purchased that at the Dollar Tree, along with this evergreen tree plate, again, the Dollar Tree. And then this dessert plate or salad plate I've had for a long time, but I thought it looked well on top of the plate. And here is my napkin, Amazon for that, along with my knife and fork. Okay, here is the second place setting. And next I'll be adding a cup and saucer with the spoon. As you can see, I'm setting a very cozy but yet romantic table setting for two with my teapot for tea or coffee. Next, I'm going to add a couple of tapered candles in a pretty green color on each end of the table. Now something a little different. I took this crystal candle holder and put a silver ornament inside it. It's very heavy glass. I'm not sure if it's mercury glass or what it is, but I just thought it was pretty. So I'm adding two of those. And then also from the Dollar Tree, I have these evergreen tree tumbler glasses that match the dinner plate. And also some wine glasses. Just two. And then also I'm going to be adding these glittery pine cones with berries on it, placed sporadically on the evergreen leaves. And since I had a couple little pieces of the evergreen leaves, I'm going to place those around the plates to give it more of a wintry feel. Okay, so here is the final look. I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure and go and check out the playlist and leave them all a comment and a like as well. I will be lighting the candle, so stay tuned. I wanted to show you how the candle inside had a remote, which makes it really nice. So here I am lighting the candles. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a happy and safe New Year. See you in the next one.